Okay, this is a phone. I'm coming to replace the charging system, the USB. Okay. The first thing you have to put a heat machine at least for 10 to 15 minutes so you can open the back glass. This one is a glass, okay? You have to heat it small. If you have heat machine at home, just put water inside the pot. Make sure the water is boiling. You just put something like a metal on top so that the metal will become very hot. You can put the phone there so it will become very hot so you can have access to open it. Because this one is glass, you have to heat it. You don't need to force to open so you don't break the glass, okay? Body hit my own, you just put the pencil like this, just find something that's very sharp or blade, just put it inside a bit like this. Then use something like a rubber a bit soft so you don't break the back, okay? Just put it inside like this. You try to open it, remove this one, just try to open it right down, okay? That's why it's good to hit it small because this one is a glass so you don't break the glass, okay? Open it right down, okay? Remove the back cover, put it one side, okay? Now you need to take out all the screw, remove the up, remove the down screw, so disconnect the battery, okay? Because you need to disconnect the battery before you change the charging system. So make sure you take out all the screw, up and down, remove all the screw, okay? Don't leave any screw there. After you take out all the screw back of the phone, okay, remove this cover on top. Just open it, disconnect it to the one side, disconnect the battery, okay? And open this down here also, the ringer, remove the ringer, okay? Put the cable one side like this, okay? Disconnect the charging system, remove all the connector, LCD connector, all this connector, take it out, okay? Then you remove this cable, network cable, take it out, okay? Now you try to remove the charging system, just AC it up like this a bit, then you take out the SIM tray from down there, remove the SIM tray to the one side, okay? Then you remove the charging system, just put the pen set here, just try to AC the charging system up, be careful for the connectors, okay? Remove charging system like this to the one side, okay? Now it's time to fix the new one. Just fix charging system, just slide it inside, slide the charging system inside like this, okay? Then press it down, very nice, and fix back the LCD connector. Make sure you get the right position before you press it in like this, okay? Fix the other connector also, very nice, okay? And fix this cable, charging cable, very nice, okay? Fix back this network cable, very nice here. Make sure you fix it very nice so your network become very strong, okay? Then you put back this cable, the speaker, okay? Put it very nice, exactly how you take it, okay? Then fix back the battery, fix very nice, okay? Then you remove this flashlight to fix the connector behind there, because the flashlights have some connector here, so make sure you fix the flashlight connector first. fix, Fix it very nice like this, okay? Now you put this cover, fix all the clips, very nice, okay? Then fix now the flashlight, very nice like this. Replace all the screw back you take out, so many screws. Make sure you replace all the screw, don't leave any screw. After you place all the screw back of the phone, okay, now you put the glue very nice, put the right on. Make sure you put it right on very nice, okay. After you put the glue right on the phone, okay, now you put the cover very straight, don't bend it. Okay, if you have a rubber light, you can use it for 30 minutes so the glue become dry before you take it out. If you don't have a rubber light, you can still use it, just tape it for 30 minutes so the glue become dry. So, then fix back the SIM tray. Put at the top here also. Okay, now you put the phone on charge just to test the charging system and see if it's okay or not. As you can see, logo already show charging system is good. That means everything is okay. That means okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.